Can I turn this up a little bit, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's get another lantern and set it up inside the house so we can see. We brought all our supplies in. We drove the truck here with our gear, and we've unloaded it outside in this building outside the house. We gotta go across this little bridge. Don't come on here at the same time, though.
Oh, okay.
This is kind of extra safe.
I would just focus on following.
As you can see, I brought my floral blanket. This is my favorite comforter. It's nice.
That's nice.
But laugh as you might, Isaac brought a pink bag with a heart on it. I don't know what's
It's got my hammock in it, and that's what my wife sent me with.
Okay, need some water. Don't. I just realized if I get some water, it's probably good enough for the video.
Drink some water. Refreshing.
Anyway, let's get this lantern.
I'm gonna take off the autofocus because it's like freaking out.
What are you doing? Why are you trying to
I like this new camera with this new lens.
It's huge. The new lens. What are you doing?
It's late.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Yeah, okay, hang on. We're gonna quick DIY. Okay, this is how you light a propane lantern with a lighter instead of a match. Let it run for a second. Get some propane in there.
Those things are crazy.
Normally it takes a couple tries. I'm amazed that was the first try. Matches take a little bit longer, and they'll scare you. They'll pop sometimes. You get too much propane inside them.
I actually want to show you guys something. Hold up that lantern for a second. These are actually like these things that are acting as the light bulbs. Those are actually just like bags of cloth. They're just like little white nets. It'd be much better to show you when it wasn't lit.
It just slows the gas down.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. They're just like constantly burning. It works very similar to like the filament in a light bulb. But if you ever see these around, definitely pick one up. These propane lanterns are awesome. They're super bright. It's like they're lighting this whole big garage. They last a long time. They do get super hot though. I burned myself really bad once.
During the trebuchet video. That was when we were up at like 5 in the morning painting the trebuchet before the video shoot. Yeah, but the bag actually turns to ash and then it never burns up. So I'm not gonna stay on that. All right. So let's look over here at this set of doors. Gonna take a stroll.
Don't stroll right off that. Oh gosh, that's actually a ways down, isn't it?
It is. Oh, check this out. You can actually go out on this one.
Careful, is that on a beam?
It's on a beam.
I think so, yeah.
It's nailed down, so.
Is it nailed down?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't like that sound.
It's fine. This is here for the construction worker, so I'm sure people will be walking.
There you go, back across. You get the scary part now. You have the camera.
I like how they included the creaky sound. It makes it
Yeah, there's nice of them to add that. Do you think I could do like a special move, like a fire spin attack if I spun?
You're actually getting some nice lens flares going.
Yeah! I bet if I hit you with these, it would do a lot of damage.
I bet if you drop one of those, it'll light all the sawdust on the floor on fire.
I'm gonna like do like a big like Donkey Kong clap with both of them. Smash them together. That's my final smash, is just like smashing these two things together.
You're making a lot of content right now. I don't even know if we want to post. Okay, stairs are this way.
Hey,
probably be good.
your bag's already up here.
Yeah, how about that?
It's kind of like we planned to be in here.
Wow.
Okay. Cool. I think that'll do.
Yeah, let's.
We can get our hammocks and see if we'll.
That'll be fun. It's a little snug for me, but if we're in hammocks, it doesn't really matter. And I think that should hold us up.
Yeah, I mean, it's incredibly strong.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna set my Eno hammock up down here on these rafters. So I have brought, got some Eno slap straps and Eno hammock and some carabiners. So I'm gonna keep the lantern away from this. The lantern will melt right through my hammock. These are fantastic. I've had this one for a long time. I've camped over top of rivers with this, up in barns, on a tree overhanging Lake Erie. They're just really convenient to take with you wherever you're going. So we were thinking about giving away some of these for our 1,000 subscriber special thing. So if anybody's interested in that, let us know. We might give away some of these hammocks. So the way to do this, you get out your slap strap. It has all these little loops in it, like this. Loop it through. Built into these straps, you have all these different loops all the way up, so you can quickly adjust how tight or how high your hammock's gonna hang. You got these carabiners, hook it through, and then repeat for the other side. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Now this is the part if we see if we get in trouble and break the construction.
I hear no.
Wow, that's very stable.
Yeah, I hear no creaking at all. So.
Nice. Cool.
All right. Well, I guess I'll get mine set up.
Sweet. All right, so I've got my hammock set up now. Isaac's getting his done. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to hang the lantern a little higher. It's not too close to the timbers though. All right. I gotta get my bedding, get a blanket and a pillow in here. I didn't bring a pillow. Oh well.
This is actually nice. This is like really cool looking. And you're just sitting up here.
Okay, we have both the hammocks set up down here, and I think we are gonna go ahead and turn the camera off and go to bed because it's getting a little late. So we're gonna get the rest of our stuff in our hammocks, put the camera up, go to bed, and we will be back in the morning.
Don't laugh. This coronavirus hair. I haven't had a haircut in like 6 weeks. Maybe 7.
Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, my back hurts so bad. A lot more peaceful this morning.
Ow. Ugh. What are you doing?
Did you sleep nicely?
No, I woke up so many times. I peed out that window twice.
Okay. Are you gonna get up?
Huh?
Are you gonna get up? Hey, don't cough.
Oh. Why? What is that? Oh, it's a piece of wood. I thought it was a little turd. I was like, I don't remember doing that last night. All right, y'all. We're gonna start wrapping this up. That was a interesting night. I woke up several times. I feel like I slept 3 or 4 times rather than once. But it was nice. Woke up to the sound of birds this morning and see like the morning light coming through the rafters and the open windows. Nice cool air. It wasn't too cold. It was really nice. Jacob said he woke up to the sound of a donkey off in the distance. That's a little less nice than waking up to the sound of birds, I guess. But anyway. So yeah, we're gonna wrap this up, put our stuff away, and drive back up to Jacob's house, and then we're all gonna make breakfast together. So it should be a nice Sunday morning. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe if you want to see more of this type of thing. We're always working on new videos. So hopefully we will see y'all soon in the next one. In the meantime, just thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.
My hand on the rafters. Jeez, I knew that was gonna happen at some point.